Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Thursday, August 5th, 1999, 8 am. My dear child, we will remain in a less gloomy context. You need it in this moment. You do sense and you are burdened by this collective fear caused by predictions of all sorts, and you carry this burden in addition to your other problems. In these difficult periods, you should remember the beautiful days spent in the past with the man of your life. Amidst all the tests you have gone through, there were some good moments. Think of your future life with us. Picture it. See what you would love to do and how to help your human brothers and sisters left behind in the torments of this life. On leaving the earth, each one of you heads for a different way, according to your aspirations and especially the potential earned as well as the remains of your past yet to be cleaned away. Make efforts here below as much as possible in order to have easier choices when you leave this world. There is no uniformity among men. Each one of you is unique in your category with your credentials, which will follow you wherever you go after your departure. Try to comply with the divine laws. No time should be wasted. A lifetime is short and can stop at any moment. Man's peculiarity is to believe he is immortal and to consider that he still has enough time to devote himself to God. The primary objective of most people is not to create for themselves a strong and beautiful soul. Be lucid. Don't give highest priority to your material interest. That would not be reasonable. You Abhyasis, you must understand you are prepared to act in this direction. Do not lose sight of it for your own good. Such is our wish for you, Babuji. Thursday, August 5th, 1999, 10 am. We will try to continue in the same vein. How can we not get back to the same topic again and again? Your evolution. You entered Sahaj Marg to follow a spiritual way. Some of you may have come to see and taste, which is normal. If they have stayed, it means that they like the formula and that they have understood the true objectives of this process. Results cannot be obtained without work, without constantly renewed efforts. It is about knowing really what you want, and then you will choose the speed and the pace which you deem more appropriate for what you expect for this way. No way is easy. In Sahaj Marg, like elsewhere, if you want to advance, you should really go ahead and put your heart into your work. It is about the heart precisely. This organ so much quoted every other minute. He is kind-hearted, he is really heartless, he has a heavy heart, etc. The heart referred to herein is the vibratory heart. We will call it like that to differentiate it from the physical organ. The spiritual heart, which has its own life, has nothing to do with the heartbeats, which keep you alive. This divine heart conceals treasure, doors to be opened progressively as you advance. These are points as we call them. It is the guardian of the inner temple. It is necessary to show one's credentials to enter it. This temple is imposing. Without a good guide, you could be lost inside it. Don't be afraid. All these colorful comments are meant only to sensitize you on your work, to open up prospects for you that motivate you to advance. Your quest will be succeed only with, on your part, a true will to act. We follow your efforts and we bless you, Babuji.